Hello everyone, my name is Camila Palacios. I'm 10 years old and I'm in 4th grade. Today I would like to introduce you to my business idea called Little Chefs in Action. Have you ever wanted to cook with your child but worried that something might go wrong or they might not enjoy it? Little Chefs in Action is here to help your child learn to cook in a fun and safe way. Our solution combines learning with fun, helping children develop cooking skills and improve their confidence. Meanwhile, parents can rely on a safe, educational, and enriching activity that they can enjoy with their kids. Our program is offered through an interactive platform of cooking tutorials, accessible via subscription, with recipes specially designed for children. The objective is to create a learning journey, guiding children through different levels, from the simplest to the most complex, where they must complete challenges to move up to the next level. They can also choose to become influential chefs by sharing their creation and completing challenges. In Colombia, there are approximately 1.1 million children who may be interested in learning to cook online. Our business model will be free. First, children will have access to a selection of recipes and a couple of free videos to capture their interest, and then invite them to join our community through the payment of a subscription. In researching our competition, we identified several unique features: gamified learning through the proposed levels and challenges, the opportunity of children to be influenced by sharing their creations, and guide learning process that includes culinary techniques and cooking tips. Our work team includes Germán Palacios, responsible for administration and finances, Carolina Acuña, in charge of marketing, Daniela Palacios, who oversees creativity and editing, and me as the CEO. Scan our QR and dare to cook a delicious recipe with your kids.